rasa senang tak dengan di sini?
Oh, sangat senang.
Senang lagi segi apa?
Segi keselamatan, banyak kamera lah.
Kalau dari segi convenient, kalau ada macam banyak kat tempat untuk kamu beli barang.
Ini kedai tak banyak.
Oh, tak banyak. Kedai runcit tak
Kedai
banyak.
kurang lah.
Barang makanan, minuman banyak.
Minuman barang banyak, kedai mamak.
Apakah transport yang kamu selalu guna?
Bas pun umum lah, bas. Pagi-pagi jam.
Oh, pagi-pagi ya.
Ya,
Macam weekend atau weekend ada apa event?
Saya sudah retire. Saya jalan juga sudah tua. Kadang minggu aktiviti lah, ada kayu basikal, jogging. Dari tertentu lah tengoklah.
Selalu kamu makan apa?
Oh, saya makan rumah ada, kedai ada, jalan-jalan kedai. Sini pasar malam ada.
Nama saya Anita. Okay, saya sebagai cleaner di sini di bangunan MPIC, arah 6.
Hai, saya Mun. Kerja di Kedai Kewangan Malaysia.
Saya Nur Azima, cleaner juga sama dengan Kak Anita. Kita suka persekitaran kat sini dengan bangunan dia yang megah lah. Saya rasa macam bangga lah.
Putrajaya ni satu bandar yang menarik yang sedang dikunjungi oleh pelancong-pelancong dan juga masyarakat sekitar sini. Dan bangunan-bangunan yang di sekitar sini pun nampak megah.
Seperkara lagi pengalaman saya sebagai cleaner kerja kat sini, contohlah kita jumpa Jamil Fair, you're very friendly.
Dari segi apa yang kamu tidak suka tentang Putrajaya?
Putrajaya ni cuma kekurangan dia saya fikir dari segi parking lah. Tiba-tiba dah ada construction, so macam orang awam dia nak berurusan dengan kerajaan, tak ada tempat nak parking.
Sekarang ni kamu selama kerja kamu buang.
Sebenarnya perjalanan dari Putrajaya ke Port Dickson 1 jam pun dah sampai, tapi jadikan kita ni lambat, jam. Sampai dekat rumah, saya on TV, tengok TV.
Abang, kamu rasa tempat macam kedai-kedai runcit, tempat makan-makan minuman cukup tak bagi orang yang bekerja?
Untuk pekerja-pekerja macam awam di sekitar Putrajaya ni orang biasanya makan dekat kafe. Tapi saya rasa kalau ada disediakan tempat macam kedai di jalan, macam dekat tengah-tengah ni pun boleh kot kalau nak buat kedai makan ke apa kan, kita lepak-lepak lagi happy lah.
Selalu penuh dengan orang yang bekerja.
Company kita orang memang sediakan bas untuk pekerja.
Kalau macam weekend atau macam cuti-cuti, adakah kakak dan pulang kat sini ya?
Kalau saja-saja untuk saya taklah, tapi kalau my cousin, kita bawa lah dia round. Masjid Putrajaya, pergi Alamanda.
Event macam flora dan fauna.
Tu kita orang datang.
Buah-buahan yang jumpa kat sini kan.
Pernah nampak artis-artis muda kah atau orang main kan skateboard atau apa?
Biasa, kat sini biasa. Satu dekat Dataran Putrajaya Pasal 3. Satu lagi macam kat Putrajaya ni pun sendiri ada satu kawasan rekreasi yang orang boleh main basikal, boleh skateboarding. Itu dekat Taman Cabaran.
Yang kualiti kamu working sini baik kan?
Memang okey. Dengan persekitaran yang jadi hijau kan.
From the interview, we generated one mental collage for each of interviewee. We overlapped the mental collage, and we found the common interest of the interviewee. The interviewee are enjoying the events that often happened in Putrajaya. We mapped out the category and location for each of the events, and we noticed that sports are the major category that attract most people to Putrajaya. Dataran Putrajaya, which is 2 minutes walking distance from our site, is a hotspot to cater various major sport events. For example, marathon, cycling event, car meet, and Powerman Asian Championship. Moving toward the north, Taman Botanic, Tasik Putrajaya, and Putrajaya Wetland are also hosting various sport events, like Survival Camp and International Lake and Explorers. Water Sports Center, and Taman Kabaran, which located at the southern part of Putrajaya, are hosting few major sport events. For example, annual dragon boat competition, BMX, and skateboarding competition. All these events are attracting huge amount of visitor every month. But, without event, Putrajaya are basically a dead town. From human density analysis, we analyzed that human density are decreasing from morning to night, due to only single group of community, which is the working class. The density of people are only focused within the office building area. During after work or weekend, the density around our site is almost zero. So we can conclude that Putrajaya, present 3, need injection of new community, especially the youth, to gentrify it become a lively city. To further understand the scheme, we had studied a township development, which is Sabangjaya, SS15. SS15 population has a significant increases due to the emerging of 3 private university college, which bring huge amount of student and visitor to the township. Due to the demand of increased population, SS15 gets more happening and lively due to the increase of shopping malls nearby, and also improvement of infrastructure. The town has been regenerated again, and it's now a vibrant township, with various of program and entertainment. The second case study, which is focused on program-oriented building, the Fontes School of Sports Studies, is a sports complex that is located in Jenniferparken, Eindhoven, Netherlands. The design of the school facilitates maximum interaction between sports and education. With this interaction, the society and the community will work together to develop into a better district. Due to the existing surrounding sport facilities, the building acts as a center to house sports students, and it become a center that linked the network of sports facilities and accommodation in the area. With these activities, the building will act as a new meeting place for the community to carry out their sports courses. The ground floor is transparent, bringing out light from the building and drawing more crowd towards the college. The juxtaposed color and transparency shows the function of the building, with the top floor being the sports hall and the ground floor housing the changing room as well as the classrooms. The main spaces of the building are the sports halls that are shown on the plan. Beside these spaces, there are classrooms, as well as windowed hallways allowing the users to view into their sports hall. Lastly, the other basic facilities are located at ground floor, housing changing room and a cafeteria. As shown on the diagram, the buildings section shows the spatial layout of the sports facilities, such as the rock climbing zone, multi-purpose hall, hallway, and gymnastic training facility. The hallways intersects the sports hall, allowing users to view onto the training agenda. From the case study and early stage analysis, we strengthen our proposal by corresponding to the objective of Ministry of Youth and Sport, which is set up sporting nation where everyone loves sports and active in sports and excel in the sport to a higher level, build a patriotic and united nation through strategic program on youth development and sports, and to build youth community that united, disciplined, high morals, and advance in social and economic, and to build a healthy, active sports and cultural community for unity and nation building. We concluded that sports school will be our main proposal for our site. By analysis, our site are located at the center of existing sport facility. The facility can be used as a training place for the future sports school students. In addition, our site are highly accessible by different mode of transportation. For example, buses from other present stop at our site every 30 minutes. Car park are also available for driving option, and pedestrian network are well established around our site. Student can use the existing bus schedule to access to the sports facility. Our site are located in the intersection of some major sport event route, for example, cycling, marathon, Asian Powerman Championship, and car meet, which has potential to attract certain amount of experienced sportsmen to the school to interact with the student. By analyzing of building function along the axis of Dataran Putrajaya, we found out that the surrounded does not provide any facility for all these major sports events. So, in exchange, our school can provide facility and platform to support the event. The existing bicycle lane are neglected, and it can be regenerated to create connection between surrounding green pocket and provide an alternative mode of transportation for the future students. Bicycle rental can also be proposed as sub-program. In addition, our site are surrounded by various type of convenience store and shopping mall, which is accessible by bus. It can help to sustain the need of future young community and also increase the income for the shop owner. Last but not least, from analysis, our site is an edge, which is the intersection between pedestrian path, shortcut to night market, bicycle lane, and bus stop. It has potential to become an organic food street as a sub-program, which promote healthy lifestyle that corresponding to our main program, stretch from the bicycle lane to the night market. Food street allow the intersection point to become a happening edge. As for current, all these potential are wasted. From all the data we gather and site respond analysis, we can conclude that an injection of new community into Putrajaya is fundamental to gentrify and regenerate Putrajaya into a more vibrant and healthy city. A sports school is our main proposal, and we would love to see Putrajaya developed as an intelligent and healthy city by fully utilize the existing infrastructure.
Sport has the power to change the world. It has the power to inspire. It has the power to unite people.